We look after the small-scale renewable energy scheme, which helps people meet part of the cost of installing solar panels. So that includes households, but also we see installations in the small business sector and also the community sector. Making a decision to put solar panels on your roof can be difficult. It's a consumer product, a bit like buying a big screen television, but the panels are up on the roof, out of the way. There's not a lot of brand recognition, and it can be quite hard for households to judge quality issues. A small number of businesses have been importing and installing substandard solar panels. That means that the consumer hasn't been getting what they paid for. The system may not perform up to scratch, and it might not last as long as it should. We knew we had to do something about it, and so we got together with industry to have a partnership solution to this problem. So we didn't build a new regulatory solution from scratch. We and the industry have all come to the table, each with a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle to build the whole solution. It's a great example of co-design. Solar panels can now be validated by the installer using an app on their phone as the panels are being installed on the roof. If the installer is using the validation app, households can be confident that the panels going onto their roof meet Australian standards, that they get a warranty for those panels, and that they get what they paid for.
The solar panel validation scheme is a critical missing piece of the puzzle that helps prevent fraud in our industry.
Having installers that use this app, the consumer can have peace of mind that their solar panels are genuine.
The serial numbers are a really important key component of the compliance and checking process.
Solar panel validation mechanism is a really innovative solution.
The use of modern apps and data technology allow us to transfer and share data rapidly and simply. This is a great use of that technology, which is going to benefit consumers, retailers, wholesalers and manufacturers across the board.
This is a long-term partnership. This is about industry working with government to make sure that consumers are protected.
It's something that is very unusual for a government body to work with industry in such a way that serves a purpose of bolstering the integrity of the scheme.
The solution is aligned with commercial business models, so it gets the outcome we want without needing new, intrusive and costly regulation.
The outcome is always going to be far better than just simply having set rules and regulations without cooperation.
It allows industry to self-regulate against the sort of behaviour that we're trying to address.
This helps consumers, but not just consumers. It should benefit all members of the solar panel industry. And that includes retailers, installers, agents, and the manufacturers of genuine panels.
It will decrease the burden on industry and it'll increase efficiency. So yeah, I'm really excited by the opportunity to work with the regulator, and I think the industry is going to benefit from it.
The feedback from industry has been really positive. They love it because it supports and protects their business model.
Well, there's benefits to both the manufacturing industry, the installation industry, the retail industry and the consumer. This initiative guarantees that confidence in the marketplace.
We're really encouraging everyone in industry to get on board with this initiative.
The really exciting thing about this innovation is that it could be used more broadly than in the solar panel area to make sure that consumer products are genuine.
It's a real honour to work with a regulator. It's a fantastic initiative. In my opinion, it's a world first, what the regulator is doing here. And it's something that could be easily transported to other markets in the world.
The solar panel validation project is a great example of how government and industry can come together to develop a shared, partnered solution to solve this problem.